God, I hate people.
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
What's up, everybody? I had an eventful weekend in the mountains of North Georgia, and they kind of destroyed my allergies. So I'm having allergy problems now. That's great. My throat's been messed up, so if I sound weird, I apologize. I'm definitely talking better than I was before. But yeah, I got to take my son to the mountains for the first time. That was the longest he's been in a car. It was like over 2 hours each way. He did good. So I'm looking forward to taking him on longer trips and heading to the mountains again. My wife said we gotta take him to the Tail of the Dragon and get him that like Tail of the Dragon onesie. They have a few ones like that, and I thought that'd be kind of cool. Man, look at those cats out in that field. Caffeine and Octane is coming up. That'll be this Sunday, which is only like a few days from when I post this video. Nice. So I will be going to Caffeine and Octane, and I'll be taking pictures. I gotta put the more wide angle lens back on the camera. If you have not tried to photograph at Caffeine and Octane, it is one of the most annoying things in the world to like be sitting only a couple feet from a car with your camera aimed at it, and then people just walk right in front of you and just stand there. Some people will even look at you and then walk right in your way and just stand there. I'm like, what are you doing? Yeah, some people need to be hit in the head with a shovel, but you know, maybe that's how they got like this. I don't know. And obviously, like, some of the supercars I want to photograph are more popular, so you can't park there. So of course there's just like a bajillion people, and I want to get a shot without people in it, and with a wide angle lens that's like impossible. But if I had a more zoom lens, I would be too far back and everyone would just be walking in between me and the car, so I would never get a shot that way either. It just kind of sucks. But yeah, I've gotten a few good ones in the past. It's just, I don't know. Caffeine and Octane is great. There's just so many people. And unfortunately, sometimes people with cool cars can't even park in the main lot because Jerry and his high school friends want to bring their old Civics and line them up. Like, I get it, you want to come to the car show and even show off your car, but like, if you have a $300 Craigslist car, stop putting it in like the main lot and just go park further away. Like, yes, we get it, you spray painted your car, cool, but don't put that in the main lot, dude. I don't want to have to walk by that, and then later when I come back out to my car that I parked 3 miles away, I'm passing like Nissan GTRs and Lamborghinis and stuff who couldn't fit in the main lots. But like, yeah, your stock Civic's cool, but it's not as cool as what could be parking there. Like, I don't even put my car in the main lot. I get there early and there's still not a spot. That's typically why. Yeah, but like, everyone and their mom's Toyota Solara up here doesn't need to be parking and taking up spaces. And now I'm stuck behind this UPS truck. What is a boy to do? But yeah, anyway, I'll catch you guys at Caffeine and Octane if you'll be there. If you're going or whatever, just message me. Say, hey, what's up? Come meet me there. I'll sign your forehead if that's your thing, like whatever. You can sign my forehead, like that's cool too, it's whatever. What if you just smash the roof on that bridge? I see videos and stuff online, but I've never seen it in person. I kind of want to, but I kind of don't want to be right behind it when it happens, you know? And that road, or that like little bridge section has been, dude, stay in your lane, my guy. That little bridge section has been shut down for that exact reason before, so I know it happens. Oh, look at that deer. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today, so I'll see you at Caffeine and Octane. If not, you're a loser, no big deal, it's whatever. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Always remember, if you park a stock or really crappy car in the nice lots at Caffeine and Octane, you're a loser and no one likes you. Alright, bye! God, I hate people.